So anyhow, when I did this, I wanted it for, everybody drinks coffee, right? And at the time, I was really criticized because I put a high-end tea with high-end coffee. So I thought, well, everybody wants good stuff together. So I put a high-end tea, high-end coffee, and then when he came in with the liquor, and I said, I don't know, putting liquor in your tea. And he said, Jan, it goes back 5,000 years. They said, the Portuguese said the natives, they'd go across and said the natives were putting it in there. I said, okay. So then I got the liquor license, but it was really for an Irish coffee.
Oh, there you go.
Wanted the Irish coffee. And that's the koto that somebody brought in. She brought some other things too. That's beautiful, isn't it? The wood. I love the wood. And this is dated March 12th, 1942. And it says, you talk about the evacuation of Japanese due within 10 days. It's March 12th, 1942. And that paper now is the North American Post. This I designed off of the slats in the window. And so this is cement, and I designed it to have a round inch, 4-inch bullnose so that it wouldn't take away from the cabinet, and that it was warm, and so it's pewter with graphite and mocha, the color. And this was in the basement, that was in the basement. Started to take the tablecloths off of the tables, and I thought, no, this is too interesting. The ads and stuff. I was going to clean them all up, left that. And this is the wallpaper. And I did a digital photograph up there and took it down and went through 3 different steps to have the wallpaper made, and it's lightweight vinyl. I think I started out with about 6 teas. Yeah, but they're all good, and they all marked with the amount of caffeine they have in them. And if they're black teas or herb teas, so you can kind of get the gist of the tea there when you're looking.
So can you tell us about the window, the floor?
So this is what this room looked like, and this was my vision. So I came in and started ripping it all out. So when I ripped it all out, like I said, these places were all connected at one time.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if this went this way. But anyway, there was a hole here. And I thought, or I left the hole, left it open. And it was like this, and I wanted to leave it open so that people could come in here and learn if I wasn't here, that that's where these trunks were.
So this is like a stroke of genius, because I'm sure everybody wants to see what's in the basement,
Yeah.
right?
And I wanted everybody to know without having to be here because I have other things to do, right? And this is the same as the hotel. I looked to get something that was recycled.
I love the old walk-in freezer.
Yeah, I do too.
So this still works.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm still on 1910 power, right? And that's why you don't see any cases up there. I just have small amounts of pastries and buy them every day because there's no glassed-in heated cases or big refrigerated stuff. And I had the cooler. Come over here and I'll show you. This is the 1910 cooler. So this is my refrigeration, the 1910 cooler. Yeah, I know I have to close it quickly so I don't let it out. And but that's pretty cool, don't you think? Yeah. Literally, cool. Yay.
What's cool in going through this is that everything you see, there's nothing here that's haphazard or was done flippantly. So much thought is put around everything we see, especially in maintaining the history. So we'd like to thank you, Jan, for showing us your wonderful and historic hotel and showing your history to all of the viewers out there. And we hope that your hotel continues to show everybody how important it is to remember our history and look at the lessons that it teaches us.
And energy. Thank you, Efren. Thank you for your interest. That gives me more enthusiasm.